Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to transfer your Cardano, ADA, from Bitrue to Crypto.com in 2025, you're in the right place. This process is straightforward, but as with any crypto transaction, it's crucial to double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. By the end of this video, you'll have your ADA safely moved over. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitrue and Crypto.com. You'll need some ADA in your Bitrue wallet and the exact wallet address from Crypto.com. Pro tip: always verify your addresses to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. It could mean losing your crypto forever. Step 1. Log into your Bitrue account. Head over to the Wallets or Assets section and find your Cardano balance. Click on Withdraw next to ADA. You'll be prompted to enter the withdrawal details. Step 2. Select the Cardano network. In 2025, it's likely still the Cardano blockchain, but double-check for any updates. Enter the Crypto.com wallet address. Copy it directly from the Crypto.com app to avoid typos. Then, input the amount you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum withdrawal limits, which might be around 1 ADA plus network fees. Step 3. Review the transaction details carefully. This includes the fee estimate. Cardano transactions are usually low cost, but fees can vary based on network congestion. Once you're happy, confirm the withdrawal. You'll get a confirmation email or notification from Bitrue. After that, keep an eye on your Crypto.com account. Transfers typically take a few minutes to an hour, depending on the blockchain. Once it shows up, you're all set. A quick word of caution: always use the correct network. Don't mix up Cardano with another chain like Ethereum. And remember, crypto is volatile, so transfer at your own risk. If you run into issues, check the help sections on both platforms or reach out to their support. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. See you next time.